There you go. This is the puppy's first exposure to deep snow. We just got back from hiking with Lobo and Kurgan. We just walked in the back gate, which is why we're all wet. And we thought we'd let the puppies out to enjoy it. These are getting huge. This is Mr. Kratos. What do you think of that snow, buddy? There's Ruka. Big. Badge. Here's the badge. Need a badge. A honey badger. What do you think of all that snow, sweetie? She's such a... You can hear the neighbors next door shoveling. It's digging out a toy there. That's a good girl. This Ruka. Oh no, that's Mr. Kratos. Had to see the eyes for a second. They're digging their toy out over there. Well, their love of snow has just begun. These guys are built for this kind of stuff. You can tell already by their thick, downy undercoat. Perfect Minnesota dogs. They can do good in both hot and cold weather. Now you're seeing the puppy's first exposure to actual snow. Not just falling snow, but deep snow on the ground. It appears to be a hit. Not them?
Mm-hmm. They like it.
They do.
You like it. You like it.
Buddy. Start to see their personalities are starting to come out now. They're pretty cute. Had no chewing on Dad's jacket. Ah, oh boy. Too many puppies, not enough hands.
No.
Not for long. She's the honey badger. She don't care. Again, we wanted to give you guys a second puppy fix for the day. I shot a video earlier today of it just starting to snow with them eating some food. This is the aftermath of that video about 4 or 5 hours later. You can see we got quite a bit of snow fast. Matter of fact, that log there shows you exactly how much snow we've gotten. You can see we've probably gotten 4 or 5 inches. Huh, Tim? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we've gotten quite a bit. Again, we had a very good hike. I'm going to be sore as hell tomorrow from that, huh? Always takes a couple of hikes to get used to walking through the deep snow again. Kurgan over there eating some frozen pumpkin after the hike. Again, we shot a big video of those two out on the hike with us. We just got home, which is why we look like a couple of wet rats. We just had them in there so we could have shot a video of just the puppies, otherwise the big dogs would be all over us. We wanted to maximize the puppy cuteness. You see, they move pretty well now. They're very athletic puppies for their age. Yes. I just had some go down the back of my neck. How are we doing on time here? The camera, I gotta get it on something dark so I can see the time. Alright, we're doing alright. This badge. What are you doing, Badge? You little screwball. Such a cutie. Did you get hit by some more snow? Ooh, Tammy's getting nailed. You look like you're up to no good, Badge. You look like you're up to no good. Gosh, she reminds me so much of her mom Ulu when she has her ears back like that. Her face looks just like her.
Yeah.
You look just like Mommy. Huh? Hey, buddy. This is Kratos. This is Ruka over there. Yeah, I don't know what the heck she's doing there. Yeah, do you think these guys love the snow? Like I said, these guys are born and bred for the snow. Perfect dogs for Minnesota. Badge is getting chewed on, but she don't care. I guess he hasn't seen the honey badger videos yet. He doesn't know what he's messing with. He and Lobo and Kurgan are just there after the walk, relaxing. I still got to brush all the burrs out of Lobo's coat before he can come in the house. They're chewing on some of that pumpkin there. An after hike snack. Oops. Stepped on a toe. Sorry. Fortunately, I got these big rubber boots on. That doesn't look like it feels good. The badge. Alright, give me a cute thumbnail with all you guys being cute. Come on. I don't know what the heck Badge was doing there. Peel it out. They love those Kongs. Which is weird because some of our dogs could care less about them, and then there's other ones that chew the heck out of them. That's a nice picture of Badge there. Hey, you want to go inside? Huh? Alright. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out our Teespring store. You can pick up some of these nifty sweatshirts. She's got one of the pullover hoodies. I got one of the zip-up hoodies on. I think I got one of the Rune shirts, too. For those who wonder what the runes say, they don't say anything. It's just the 24 Elder Futhark runic alphabet. That's all. Bye. And again, bye from my beautiful wife. I'm a lucky man. See ya.